Hi children, welcome back to the maths class. In the last class, we have discussed about the lines are parallel in the same distance, same direction and in the same angles. Today, we are going to learn parallels and angles. This is an important portion in this chapter. If two parallel lines are cut by a line, what will happen? And how many angles formed here? So listen, here there are 8 angles formed in between the two parallel lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. If two parallel lines are cut by a line, there forms 8 angles. We can pair these 8 angles in different ways. If two parallel lines are cut by a line, there forms 8 angles. Let's check the first angle. See the position of the first angle. It is above the parallel line and left of the slanting line. That is angle number 1. Here also there is another angle in the same position, that is above the second parallel line and left of the slanting line. So it forms a pair, angle 1 and 5. These pair of angles in the same position is called as corresponding angles. Like this, there are other pairs of corresponding angles in the figure. Let's find that. See, here an angle in the right side of the slanting line and above the parallel line, that is number 2. And there is another angle in the same position, that is a number 6. This is a pair of corresponding angles. Another pair of corresponding angles are angle number 4 and 8. That is also in the same position. Okay. And the next pair of angles, that is angle number 3 and angle number 7. It's also in the same position, just below the two parallel lines and right of the slanted line. So the another pair is angle number 3 and 7. These are the pairs of corresponding angles. So here we have 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Alternate angles. While cutting two parallel lines by a slanted line, we got 8 angles. Okay. Here the alternate angles are just opposite angles. Look at the position of the first angle. It's above the parallel line and left of the slanted line. So we can take the just opposite of that angle, that is number 7. It is below the parallel line and right of the slanted line. So here forms the first pair, 1 and 7. The second pair of the alternate angle is number 2. It is above the parallel line and right of the slanted line. And opposite to angle number 2 is 8. The position of the angle number 8 is below the parallel line and left of the slanted line, just opposite to number 2. And the next pair is number 4. Opposite to 4 is number 6. And another pair of alternate angles are number 3 and number 5. So, here forms 4 pairs of alternate angles. Now, let's learn another set of angles, that is co-interior angle and co-exterior angle. Co-interior angles. The angles formed inside the two parallel lines are called co-interior angles. There are total 4 co-interior angles and 2 pairs each. First pair of co-interior angles are number 4 and 5. Both are in the same sides. The angles in the same sides forms a co-interior angle. First pair of co-interior angles are angle 4 and 5. Another pair of angles are number 3 and 6. Both are in the same sides. So there are two pairs of co-interior angles. Co-exterior angles. Exterior means outside. Okay, so the angles outside of the parallel lines are called co-exterior angles. There are total 4 co-exterior angles and 2 pairs each. The first co-exterior angle is angle number 1, and opposite to angle number 1 is angle number 8. There is another pair of co-exterior angles, that is angle number 2 and angle number 7. Here there are two pairs of co-exterior angles. That's all for today. Thank you.